We have this old microphone boom or desktop arm, and I'm planning to replace it. So let's unbox a new one. This is a bit big. See, we have the desk mount for the microphone. It costs $1,311 or around $25.64. But as you can see, as I've said earlier, we have a lot of backlogs. This was from way back in September, end of September. So yeah, let's start unpacking this one. The packaging is fine because the current mount that we have is already rusted. I don't know, I was thinking that I got scammed from where I bought it. I bought it really expensive, around more than 2,000 pesos or almost 3,000. So that's about $59. But this one is just around $25, so it's half the price. And they say that it is much sturdier or heavy duty. So we have here quality check approved, professional recording mic stand, easy recording, hold your mic perfectly in every position, strong clamp, new design, save space. Unit and clean, hold your audio cable in the arm with magic velcro. Environmental printing, higher hardness, smooth surface, flexible thread. Any direction, what's this? No matter what direction you like, extra long. 47 centimeters. Okay. Made in China. Designed by Green Audio. Okay. So I think we should open this now. Is it like this? Yes. So this is the content, right? So we'll get this one by one. Or we should spray it first for safety. On first look, the clamp is way better than the old one, the current one that I have. So I think I'm okay with this. See, although it's not properly stuck or glued, it's fine with me. So this is the table clamp where you put the end of this. We have a screw here and the mic holder, microphone holder. I think I won't be using this. I will be using the current one that I have. Okay, it's fine. Let's put it here first. And the most important part is the actual boom. We have pre-velcros as well, so this is good. This is a good deal. Okay, I'm just trying to check if there are any other items inside. No more. Thank you. I just remove this. The microphone holder. So this is the actual arm. Spring loading. So you need to be very careful about this, right? It could hit you in the face or injure you. So it is not advisable to just unlock it right away. So this is where you can push your cables to make a clean setup. Okay, so they have screws as well to tighten them up and to loosen the different joints. You can see here. So it's really really hard. I don't know why I loosened it. I haven't checked yet. So for this one, I will try. I don't know what part this is yet for now, but I think it's fine. I'll be able to check it. So this is for the microphone. For the microphone, where you can stick this right here. We will stick it temporarily. Okay, that's it. And we can lock this, okay, to prevent it from moving. But if you want to move it, you can loosen this up and then you can position it and then lock. Okay, you have to be very careful with this. So I'm going to remove this first. Okay, so it's clean and smooth. Looks okay. Prepare to damage the monitors. Right. You have to be very careful about this. No. And then carefully oh yeah, it's not that strong. It's not that strong. It's very long. It's very long. Okay, so I will set this up right now and remove the existing one. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's continue. This is part of the new one, but we're not going to use it because it is different from what I currently have. What I currently have is already okay with me, so I'm still going to use this. But I already found out the use for this one. Okay, so this is the connector for the old one. It's already rusted, as you can see, and with this one I would not be able to connect on the new one because it's pretty small, right? So this one would be the adapter. So I already found the use of this one. Okay, so we have the metallic one and we have the plastic one, which is part of this, which is fine. Okay, so if we're going to remove this, I can use this with the old one, but I'm not planning to do it. I'm giving this away to someone I know. Maybe they can still use it. So I'll just return this as part of the set. I will return this and use this instead. Okay. I'll be setting this up to remove it or to use it on the new arm. I think this is a bigger one than what I have. But I'm a bit confused. There's no instruction inside on how we set it up. Like if I wanted to tighten or to loosen, I couldn't do anything. Okay, so anyway, so that one, and we will be setting up the cable for that. So for the audio cable, I will only be connecting it here. There. If we could push it here, I just push and push. See, it's coming out. You need to get it. So we will be using it here. We'll be putting some velcros as well, if needed. Okay? So it seems you don't need it yet. So there we go. This is the old one. This is what we're going to remove. So we can pull this out. See, the parts are already rusted, right? And it looks a little bit flimsy. I don't like this brand. I think I got scammed. Yeah, this was a scammy deal. Okay, so we will remove the clamp. See that clamp? So low quality. It's really expensive, but it's really low quality. Although I bought this a few years back, and there are no available desk mounts for microphones yet. So there's a bit of a scarcity. You cannot buy online. There's nowhere I can buy. So I was able to get this. Compare it to the new one. This is the new one. This is the old one. It's so light. This one is pretty heavy. It's heavy. It's metal. Thick metal. See the thickness. Like the old one, the current one that I have, so thin. Although it's still metallic, but it's way softer if you compare it with the new one. See? So I just have to put this back. It's just on the corner. It's fine. Can make it a little bit tighter for security reasons, so that when you move the mount, this one won't slide off. So it's better to make it tighter, but don't make it too tight that you're damaging the wood of the tabletop. Because sometimes, like for example mine, I have a really thin tabletop. See, the wood is so thin. I haven't gotten the chance to replace it yet. And now we will put come on, man. Why is it not going in? There we go. So this is the lock. You can just adjust the desktop so that we could lessen the risk of this one banging into the case. Okay, so I think it's already fine, and then we can put back the microphone. Yeah, let's make it. Uh-huh. I have a problem here. It's not getting tight. I'll try to remove it. So it's moving, but we cannot remove. Let's try to tighten it. Ah, yeah, it's getting tighter. Okay. And then, when it's already tight, you can position it. Okay. It's better not to put it too tight, so that at least you can move it. You can move it however you want. Okay. So put this back here. And the other side, you can put it back here. So I think we're already done. Looks fine. Alright. Adjust this to move the microphone. Tighten it up. You can pull, you can push, you can move. It's done. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.